Given how bad flu is right now, hospitalizations, missed work, kids sick, even deaths, I'm happy to review the vaccine ingredients for this year's flu vaccine. Out of all the vaccines that I've reviewed, which is many, it's probably the simplest ingredient list. We can see right here from the flu vaccine insert, Fluzone from Sanofi, it covers 4 different strains of influenza, 2 types of A and 2 types of B. This is put into a salty solution made up of sodium chloride and sodium phosphate to transport the viral particles. And the only other 2 ingredients are microscopic remnants of things that were used during the fabrication of those viral particles. See, as these viral particles are made in chicken eggs, they have to be separated from those chicken eggs and then cut apart so we're not giving the whole influenza virus. That's why we see there's equal to or less than of the noted formaldehyde as well as octophenyl ethoxylate. They give them in these values of equal to or less than, meaning they're going to reduce that as much as possible because that's just a remnant from the fabrication process, but it's not actually an active ingredient that they expect to still be in there in significant amounts. And since formaldehyde is literally created in our body on the daily basis in a 100 times more quantity than we see in this vaccine, and octophenyl ethoxylate is quickly excreted by our body because it's in such microscopic amount, they're not even really an ingredient. So basically got a little bit of salt and 4 antigens or immune teaching products that are going to help your body learn what to expect when it sees those flu viruses for its first time. And as a person who takes care of kids with the flu, I can tell you it is horrible. Headaches and vomiting and sore throat and high fevers for days. Not to mention the high likelihood of developing pneumonia or other types of serious complications following it. And the flu vaccine will not only decrease the likelihood that you'll get influenza in the first place, but if you get it, it'll drastically decrease the severity of it. And it's not by any means too late to get your flu vaccine. Because even if you caught influenza A, which is one of those big flus that's going around, we could still have an influenza B surge. Because it's never just the flu, it's annually the most dangerous virus that causes the most amount of harm to children and adults every year.